So hello, I've just been shopping and now I'm ready to show you my super delicious, super tasty blood orange and Aperol cake. I hope you like this one. For this recipe we need Zucker, Butter, Mehl, Backpulver, Eier, Salz, Puderzucker, Blutorangen und Aperol. First of all, we're going to prepare our blood oranges. Okay, oranges are prepared. Next up, we preheat our oven and we grease our baking tin. Alright, oranges are zested and sliced, oven is preheated, cake tin is prepared. Let's start making our cake mix. We start off with creaming butter, sugar, salt and the orange zest together for about 4 to 5 minutes. Then we crack all of our eggs, we add one at a time into our butter mixture and we wait until it's combined. Okay, when that's all combined, we're gonna measure out our Aperol and our orange juice. And we're also going to sieve our flour and baking powder together. That's just for a simple reason. We want the flour to incorporate into the mixture as easy and as quick as possible. Because if you let the mixture run for too long, your cake might go dry. We don't want that. Okay, and the cakes are ready for the oven. Let's bake them. While they're in the oven, we're going to prepare our syrup. Okay, as soon as they come out of the oven, we're gonna brush them with the hot syrup. Okay, so now I'm making a second syrup with exactly the same ingredients, but I leave it on for a lot longer, so it goes a lot thicker. Because I want to brush it now onto my little cakes to get them nice and shiny. And this is it. This is my little blood orangey treat. The blood orange and Aperol mini cake. I hope you enjoyed this video and see you in the next one. Very good. Thanks for watching. Cheers!